Hi guys, hello. So guys, I am now a gardener. Okay, look at my hands, dirty. Okay, so I am planting some seeds now. I'm currently planting some seeds. Let me just pull it down so you can see. So I have quite a list of stuff I'll be planting. I have spinach, corn, squash, cauliflower, pak choy, carrots, peppers, beetroot, cabbage again. I think that's cabbage again. Or no, broccoli. Oh, it's two cabbages and beetroot. Different type of beetroot. So don't. Oops. So don't judge me, guys. This is my first time gardening in the UK. I don't know what I'm doing. Because it's so cold. Like this morning I came outside, yeah, and my greenhouse that I bought turned right over, and all my seeds that I planted a week or two ago were on the floor. You know how hurtful that is. But anyway, my husband was like, it's a lesson learned. Da, 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 da. I was a little bit upset, but it's okay. So I'm gonna plant quite a few of the seeds now, and yeah, let's see what we can yield. I'm just following the things on the bag. Like this says sold between April and July. I'm no gardener in the UK, okay, so I have to read what the bag says. I'm not sure about the cabbage. It says February to April, so I'm a bit late. But I'm still gonna sow it, because this one says between March and May. So I'm just following those, you know what I mean? So as long as it's within January and May, we're in May now, I'm gonna plant them, okay? If they don't grow, they don't grow. This is just a trial and error. I'll be replanting them. I'll be sowing them in the I'll sow them in these trays and then replant them in some garden beds, okay? So this is the thing that they provided in the pot what am I talking, in the seed tray that I bought. They provided this. I'm thinking that I should use it to make some holes, you know, make some holes for the seeds. So I'm gonna be planting broccoli in these two sections. So let's go with broccoli. I wonder how big these seeds are, because some of them are so tiny. I'm like, oh my god. Ooh, they're not that tiny. They're tiny, but not that tiny. My hands are dirty, don't mind me. So normally in Jamaica I would put 3, but I'm not sure if that's how it works here. Just in case one doesn't grow, I would normally put 3 in each. Well, that's 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Since lately we have been buying frozen broccoli anyway, so you know what I mean. So it's a good staple. I think I dropped more than 3 a while ago, but it's okay. 1, 2, 3. You know what, guys? This is all a learning curve. I wish I had started from I came to the UK, but I always run away from the weather. My husband said you should have. How long I'm telling you, gardening is nice in the UK. But I used to think, I don't know if my plants will grow, you know what I mean? Oh my god, I'll throw away some of my seeds. So guys, I'm on the last leg of this tray now. I'll be sowing cabbage in it. I'll sow the red cabbage first because it's open. Just get rid of the seeds. I'm almost through with this tray. It has 50 cells. If that's what you call them. I think that's what they're called, cells. Oh my days, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Only 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Only a few cabbage left. Red cabbage left in this one. It's fine. Because I have a whole packet of cabbage. That one was from what my husband used to, he used to plant. My husband used to plant, stuff before I moved here. So yeah, my husband used to grow stuff, you know. He told me he was successful. He grew pumpkins and I think corns. Yeah, he did grow corn. But yeah, like I don't know why I'm so excited, guys. Nothing has grown as yet. I mean, I have two little plants that survived the tragedy last night. I came out and I was like, I would never put anything in this greenhouse again. I bought this wonky greenhouse. I don't know what was I thinking. See, I'm a new gardener anyway. I bought this wonky what the thing called? Wonky greenhouse, guys. Like legit, the thing turned right over. What did I say? It turned right over. Okay? It's freezing, man. I feel like this is all I'm planting today. Because I'm freezing. I mean, it's 11 degrees or 12 degrees. Near 13 degrees, right? But your girl is frozen. Okay? I'm frozen. Me, I don't like cold weather for some. Oh, I think I planted some here. I don't like cold weather, you know. Honestly. Like, honest truth. I don't like cold weather, guys. When it cold, me and cold no friend. That's why I told my husband I've not planted nothing. I haven't grown young since I've been here. You know what I mean, guys? And we have such a massive back garden. I mean, it's out of shape, and my husband is trying to put it in shape now. I'll show you when I'm done. Like, my garden is not that shapeful. Oh my god, I've sown something in that already. Alright, that's it. My garden is not that shapeful, okay? So I already have water in this. I mixed the I experimented, guys. Hey! So basically what I did, you see the dirt that's on the ground, yeah? I mix it with the the thingy that I bought from the store. I literally mix it with the thing. I was like, let me experiment. You know what I mean? Alright, so I have more cabbages left. I'll be sowing more cabbages because we use quite a bit of cabbage. We use it to make salads. We use it to cook like in rice. What's in this? A broccoli. I guess that's broccoli. That's their way of saying broccoli. Broccoli, guys. Broccolini. But anyway, what was I saying? I forgot. Anyway, sidetrack that. So let's put the cabbage back in here. I'm gonna challenge myself. I know I hate the cold, but I'm going back in the sun, and I'm gonna challenge myself to, cause I really love I really like beets. Make beet juice and stuff. And carrot beets and carrot juice. And I love sweet corn and squash for my little baby. My baby loves squash in soup. So I'm gonna challenge myself and go back in the sun and see if I can sew another one. I'll see how far I got, because my fingers are freezing, guys. Like, they are freezing. So I can put away cabbage, broccoli, and sweet pepper. They can move out of the way. I feel very accomplished today. Oh my God. I feel like I've accomplished so much. I know I've only sewn one tray, guys, but honestly, I feel like I've accomplished so much. Let me see. I have beads. One. So I have carrot. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm gonna try and sew all of these in one trays. And then next week I can sew more. You know what I mean? You don't sew all of them one time. That's what I heard in my research. Anyway, guys, because my wonky greenhouse fell over, I think I'm gonna have to probably put like a cling film over this and leave it right here, or put it in the sun and then put it right here back on the chair and stuff, because honestly guys, I'm not putting nothing back in that. Saddest mistake. Everything fell over. So guys, in the next video I will show you a better view of the garden.